In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay using Apple Pay. Following these instructions will enable you to complete your purchase efficiently and securely. Begin by navigating to the MoonPay website, open your preferred web browser and enter www.moonpay.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the MoonPay homepage, which provides options to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the highlighted area on the homepage that guides you to start a transaction. Click on the highlighted section and you'll be redirected to the purchase interface, which allows you to select different cryptocurrencies. After that, click on the button labeled Buy. This action will take you to the crypto purchase options where you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Continue by clicking on the option that says Buy Crypto. A new screen will appear displaying various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Here you will also find options tailored to your preferences. Next, you will need to select Bitcoin. Click on the button labeled Buy BTC. This action will take you to the Bitcoin purchase interface, allowing you to proceed with your transaction. Once this appears, click on the option that says Select Asset. A drop-down menu will open, providing you with different asset choices available for purchase. After that, find the section labeled Popular Tokens and click on it. This will show you a list of commonly traded cryptocurrencies, allowing you to choose Bitcoin easily. Now click on Bitcoin from the list displayed. You will see the Bitcoin purchase screen, which allows you to specify the amount you wish to buy. Type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase in the designated field. Make sure to check the current market price to ensure your input meets your budget. Next, click on the button that says Continue with Bitcoin. This will lead you to a summary of your order, confirming the amount and total cost before finalizing the purchase. After reviewing, click on the button labeled Confirm Order. This step finalizes your order and prepares it for payment. Proceed by clicking on the button that states Buy. This action will initiate the payment process for your Bitcoin purchase. Next, click on the option labeled Pay With. This will bring up different payment methods available for your transaction. You will see a message prompting you to choose how to pay. Look for the payment options displayed on the screen. Click on the option for Apple Pay. This selection will allow you to use your Apple Pay account for the transaction, provided you have it set up on your device. After selecting Apple Pay, a message will appear showing the total amount you need to pay. This confirmation ensures that you are aware of the total cost before proceeding. Click on the button that says Deliver To. This step will allow you to specify where you want your Bitcoin to be delivered, which is typically your Bitcoin wallet address. Finally, click on the button labeled Pay to complete your transaction. After you confirm the payment, you will receive a notification indicating the successful purchase of Bitcoin. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.